Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Automate with MK. Today we are going to discuss about workflows in UiPath. So, what is workflows in UiPath? So, in UiPath, a workflow is the core building, so which helps us to design and automate process. So, it defines the sequences of steps, which are like particularly activities that a robot follows to complete a task. So here, workflows are essential for automating the process. We are utilizing those activities in a similar order, irrespective of the workflows, in order to complete the full-fledged automation process. So we will go with types of workflows in UiPath. The first one we have sequence. So it is best for simple and linear process, like which won't having more conditions and all these things. So if it is like a linear process and very simple to automate, so we can go with sequences. So steps are executed one after another, which means like linearly, each step by step we can execute our activities. So it is easy to build, good for beginners, not ideal for complex. It is not recommended for the complex logics. That's all about sequence. The next one is flowchart. So it is best for complex logic with multiple decisions. So if you are having multiple decisions which need to be automated and uh, those automation process we can choose flowcharts. So it is useful for decision nodes as we discussed. So it is flexible and good for branching logics and cannot get messy if it is too large. So if it is like very complex projects, we cannot choose for a flowchart. If it is like moderate and flexible and having that good branching logics, we can go with the flowchart. And we have that next one is state machine. Initialize your application login purpose, and that is considered as a one state. And if you are like adding those data into the some orchestrator, so if you want to retrieve those, we have get transaction state, and also the process which need to be process the data, we have the process state. So it is like we have that RE framework which built by the state machine, so we can discuss deeply in the RE framework session. So it is highly scalable and great for transactional process and harder to learn, but we can learn it. We can try to learn state machine. So if we are going to the practical section, we can just go with sequence. So drag and drop the sequence here. Okay. Now you want to give me a second. I am installing few packages. Yeah, we are successfully downloaded packages, installed the packages. So we just go for the sequences. So first of all, okay. Okay, I'm just searching something. So searching something so that I am just using Google to search something. So we have selected the Chrome application, Google Chrome, and I need to do something to write something there. Can just typing UiPath and selecting here. Yeah, just search. That's all. It like we are like adding click button or instead we can add enter button here. So let us check here. We will run it. We will see it's like a sequence like we are linearly step by step we are added these activities. So it's just a small example. So we'll see what we'll do now. Okay, it is successfully searched the UI path and we will go for flowchart. So I have created a flowchart workflow here. Okay, take a input dialog box. Okay, open. Okay, dialog table title we can say grade. Okay, grade of the student. Okay, enter the total marks of the student. Okay. So here we are entering the total marks of the student so that based on that we are providing the grade whether it is pass or fail. Okay. So I am storing those marks in the variable. So as it is numbers are integer, I am just giving int marks. Okay. So data manager. So I'm just changing to in 32. Okay. Yeah. All good. Just save it. Okay, all set for here. Now, each condition. So here we are providing the decision. So these are called nodes. We are like attaching those nodes here. So if condition, so what is the variable we have stored? Int marks. Int marks is less than. So our total is 600. If less than 350. Less than 350. Okay, I'm adding message box here. Okay, the student is pass. Less than 350 means fail. Okay, so student is pass. Okay, I'm just giving the condition here. If the student is getting less than 350, he is fail, or else above 350, he will pass. Okay, so this is the like condition. I'm just giving like what is meaning about the flow chart. So I'm going to just run the bot. Sorry, we have to run that particular file. So I'm just stopping that bot. So clicking run file. Okay, click run file here. So we will expect one input dialog box where it will ask what happens to here. Okay. Grade of the student test box. Okay,
Okay,
after
after
fixing
fixing
all
all
the
the
versions
versions
of
of
the
the
previous
previous
thing,
things, it was
working
working
fine.
fine.
I
I
will
will
rerun the
rerun the
bot
bot
now.
now. Click here and click run file. So it is asking, okay, let me close it 1 second. Grade of the students total marks. Okay, now I'm going to run the bot. Run file. Okay, right, 250. Okay, 250, the student is fail. Click OK. So we can see here it successfully ended. Now we are going to discuss about the state machine. So just showing that. So I'm just explaining the RE framework, which is like built on the state machine. So it was a template given by the UiPath. So we can discuss what is state machine inside the RE framework. So it will help for the future class also. Okay, if you can see here, so this is the state machine. This individual box represents the state machine. It is having, I will just open it. It is having entry and exit and transition. So these are the things which state machine which state machine consists. So if you can see here, it is having entry and exit. So if you can see here, it was a start button, so it is initialized. So and it has exit, can have number of transactions. So if you can see here, this is the first transaction which is system exception, and the successful. If it is successful, it will go to the next state. Similarly, if it is system exception, it goes to end state. So similarly, each state has its entry and exit as well as the transition. So this is about that RE framework and state machine also. We will discuss RE framework deeply in next classes. That's all about workflows in UiPath. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest updates on my videos. Thank you. Bye.